Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here I'm ready with my arrangement which I have shown it in the last video, and now we are going to see the next letters, how to make them on the strip. Here I'm drawing 5 lines in which each line is representing each thread on the strip. Now I'm writing the alphabets in block letters. It's done. Now let's identify the positions of each alphabet and how to make them on the strip. Identifying the positions of alphabet F, we have 1, 2 and 3 positions. Now identifying the point of contact in each position. In first position we have all the 5 dots pointed. In the second we have first one and the third one, and in the third position we have only the first one. Now let's do it on the strip. In the first position we have all the 5. So this means all the 5 threads have to be taken away and roll it twice, hold it and put them back. In the second position we have 1 and 3. This means the first thread, that is green, and the third thread, that is radium, are kept aside and roll it twice, again hold and put them back in places. In the third position we have one first line in contact, so the first thread green have to be away and roll it twice. Make sure the threads don't change their positions. Now put them back and create the letter space. In this tutorial I am using only one thread letter space, so letter F is ready now. Now let's identify the positions of alphabet G. For G we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 positions. Now identifying the point of contacts at each position. For first position we have all the 5 pointed. For second we have 1 and 5. Third position we have 1, 3 and 5. Fourth 1, 3, 4 and 5. Now let's do this pattern on the strip. For position 1 we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This means all the 5 threads away and roll it twice, hold, and for second position we have 1 and 5. So put all the threads back, take 1 and 5 threads out. Here 1 is green and 5 is violet. So taking these 2 threads away, roll it twice, hold and put them back. Now in third position we have 1, 3 and 5. So taking away first, third and the fifth threads, putting 2 and 4 intact, rolling the thread twice, hold and put them back. In the fourth position we have 1, 3, 4 and 5. So except 2, remaining all the threads we have to take them back. The second thread is white color, put it back. Now roll it twice, hold it, put them back, and now create a letter space. Your letter G is ready now. Now let's see how to make alphabet H. For H we have 1, 2 and 3 positions. And now in the first position we have all the 5 lines in contact. And in the second position we have only the third line, and the third again all 5. Now let's make them on the strip. Taking the first position, we have all the 5, which means all the 5 threads have to be kept away, and roll it twice, hold it and put them back. In the second position we have the third line, third thread, which means the radium should be away. Now roll it twice and hold. Put them back. In the third position again we have all the 5 points in contact. So take away all the 5 threads, roll it twice, hold, put them back, and now create a letter space. And letter H is ready now. Let's see how to make alphabet I. So for positions we have 1, 2 and 3 positions. In the first position we have first one and the fifth one intact. In the second position we have all the 5 in contact, and in the third position we have 1 and 5. So making it on the strip, 1 and 5 threads away in the first position. Now put those 2 away and roll it twice. Hold it and put the threads back. In the second position we have all the 5, this means all the 5 threads away, and roll it twice. Hold and put them back. In the third position again 1 and 5, so take 1 and 5 away and roll it twice. Put them back and create a letter space. Letter I is ready now. Let's see how to make letter J. For letter J we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 positions. So now in the first position we have 4 and 5. If you want you can
second position we have 2 and
the
5.
second position we have
For
1
third
and 5.
position
Third
2,
we have
3,
all the
4,
5.
5. And for the fourth position we have this one.
Only 1.
As I
So let's make this on the strip. So according to first position we have 4 and 5 points away. So taking the fourth and fifth threads away, roll it twice, hold and put them back. In the second position we have 1 and 5. Take first one and the fifth one, roll it twice, hold. In the third position we have all the 5 again. So taking all the 5 away, roll it twice, hold and put them back. In the last position we have only first one. So taking the green thread away, roll it twice, put it back and create a letter space. Weave it till the end to secure the closing. Yes, we are done with all the 5 alphabets now. Keep watching the playlist for the remaining alphabets. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video, share it and don't forget to subscribe. Hook and knots.